It's my sister's school visiting day, and we're gonna make her a classic takeout feast, which she'll probably most definitely share with her friends. This video will move ridiculously fast, so please try and keep up. Oh shit, it's 3. The fried chicken will take longest, so buttermilk, a pinch of salt, magic powder, the rest of these bad boys. Thick thighs save lives. Throw in chicken, let it marinate for 24 hours or 30 minutes because it's 3 a.m. Flour, salt, magic powder, and some of the usual suspects. A twinkle of the dredge, bread the lovely chicken and fry for 7 minutes. God damn, fried chicken. The burger. Mayo, whole grain mustard, ketchup, some pickle juice, some pickles, some hot sauce, salt and pepper. That's the stuff. A simple, average-sized, thick, round ball into a lubed pan. Smash, flip, plastic cheese, and melt. It's a simple bun, sauce, the patty, caramelized onions, some more of that sauce, lettuce just to keep it healthy, and crown your king. Softened butter, brown sugar, castor sugar, 1 yolk of a baby chicken, vanilla essence, baking powder, salt, AP flour, add in M&Ms and sprinkles for good luck. Onto a lined baking tray and into a hellfire for 10 minutes. And now for the la pizza. Semolina, a perfectly proofed dough, spread onto a floured surface with semolina of course, homemade marinara, pieces of bacon, cheeks of mozzarella, and into a hellfire for 12 minutes. Well, it's bright and early. Top with fresh basil, a touch of olive oil. It's assembly time. And just like that, we have accomplished the unaccomplished. I just hope she's happy with this.